So this was a demo project presentation deck which you have seen, and everything in this have been generated by OpenAI's new image generation model. Hey design enthusiasts and future logo gurus, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a super exciting area, harnessing the power of AI to generate stunning logo concepts. Especially, we are going to unlock the secrets of crafting the perfect prompt for OpenAI's incredible new image generation model. If you are looking to rapidly ideate logo designs, explore endless possibilities, or even offer AI powered logo concept services, then you are in the right place. We will break down the essential elements of a killer prompt, show you some common pitfalls to avoid, and give you the knowledge to start generating truly impressive logo ideas. Before starting, we assume AI as a super talented but somewhat literal design assistant. The more precise and informative your instructions, your prompt, the better the results you will get. Let's dissect the key ingredients of a winning prompt. Here on the screen, you can see logo prompt cheat sheet of GPT-4o, which includes prompt ingredient, what to specify, pro tip, and quick example snippet. So let's we talk about prompt ingredients. So brand text, which is the main part of a logo, should be clearly defined. If we want all capitals, so clearly define that we want the each word of the brand name be capital, and if you want that the letters be small, so specify it also. And a pro tip is that AI needs perfect spelling and spacing, because some brand name spelling have some mistaken spellings that represent uniqueness or their brands. So we have to specifically specify the brand text. Here you can see in example mountainscape is brand text, and second, which is the visual of a brand that represents a brand, and icon of the brand which conveys the brand's personality, and which is used as the identification mark of the brand. And so we have to clearly specify only one icon, and we don't have to clutter the prompt with too many icons. And if you are needed more than one icon in a logo, so you have to clearly define the icons one by one. And then you can see here is the minimalistic mountain outline, motif, and third and most important, brand personality conveying prompt ingredient is style adjectives. 2 to 3 words only can convey the brand's personality. So you have to include the adjectives in your prompt to convey the brand's personality and overall vibe of the brand. So here you can see modern, flat, and minimalistic adjectives that are conveying the brandings of the that are conveying the feelings of the brand. And color palette, which is the unique identification of a brand, include with hex codes. Here you can see the forest green with its hex codes and slate gray with its hex codes. So fifth main ingredient is typography, which is also a main ingredient in the prompt to mention for logo generation. And the sixth main ingredient to include in prompt is layout or placement. If you are needed specific layout or placement, if you don't need specific layout or placement, you can left it to artificial intelligence and it will place your logo as per the design principles. And seventh main ingredient is background. I always use transparent background because once I have get the transparent logo, I can use it in other mockups. And if I don't get the first logo with transparent background, then I can't correctly get its transparent background because it takes time, or it may be somewhat less qualitative than the transparent background which I have already got from the image generation model. So printing on a track and field or climber scaling a rope race. In it includes the either sprinting athletes on a track or climbers scaling a rope, but it has combined both the both the scenes and printed. We wanted one of both, either a sprinting athletes or climber scaling rope, but it has combined both, and that's the mistake that from which you can save yourself if you mention only a scenario or a scene. And in this quick cards logo, you can see from in right quick card logo there is some white spots visible, and in the left quick card logo there is not the as much white dots as the left quick card logo, because I upscaled the uh, left one, and I didn't upscale the right one. I upscaled the pixels of the right one quick art and then converted into SVG file. That's why I have got the improved logo. And now I show you other common mistakes from which we can save ourselves. And it includes extra tablet with hand. And because we mentioned here, the shoot scene should have a stylized tablet, a digital pen, or clothing with geometric patterns depict ideal in a dynamic pose that suggests creativity and engagement, like sketching, gesturing towards a design. Here we have mentioned gesturing towards a design and a stylized tablet, a digital pen. So it has printed all the demands we did from it. A gesturing mascot with a stylized tablet and pen, everything we mentioned in the prompt, it has printed. So you have to focus on the prompt and the details mentioned in it to save yourself from these kinds of mistakes. And here is the cutted image, so you can rewrite the prompt. And these are the AI Designs 3D logo, and this is vector logo which I designed from the example prompt from in this document. And in this the example in this document is ideal as per the requirements mentioned in the prompt ingredients. And it includes everything: color palette and typography, all lowercase, compact vowel space, calm and playful in character, colored in light gray, and everything that we already seen in the prompt ingredient list or prompt cheat sheet list. So everything is as it is, and this is all the document. And I will put this document in the description. If you want to take this document, you can go to description and get this. And thanks to watch this video. We will definitely meet in second video. So if you like the content, please like and subscribe. And thanks to watch the video.